cameras can be on, that won't disturb. It is only the microphone. Microphone is switched off. Please continue with the lesson.
Okay, ma'am, I'll start. Good morning, children. We shall start our class today. Before that, I want to give you some instructions. You can just keep a piece of paper and a pencil with you. There's nothing written work today. In case if you want to tell something, you can write on that paper. We will start today's class with parts of our body. But before that, I will just show you a nice video which helps you to remember the parts of your body. Let us watch a video on my body. Yes, all can get ready. Within few seconds, it will be ready. Yes, please enjoy the song. Now you can relax yourself. No need to
Ma'am,
worry about. Hello.
ma'am, we cannot hear, ma'am.
Seyhan, please mute your camera. Kanira, Mukilan. After watching this, Mukilan, please mute your camera. Mm. Thank you, children. Now, we'll have to go back to our olden days. That is, when you're born, you have to talk about yourself, myself. You have to talk about yourself. So you will be talking about yourself. And you're something special. No one is like you. No one is like you. You have, when you speak about yourself, you have to
Hello.
say your name. First, no speaking in between, please.
Hello. நல்லா கேக்குது. Hello.
Please turn off your
Hello.
microphone.
Hello.
Only watch
Hello.
screen and certain things are printed over there. Keep in your mind, my name is. For example, my name is Honey. So I will write HONEY. You have to write your name. Don't worry about today because when you come back to school, you can do all written work. My birthday is on. You ask your mother when is your birthday and just fill in that.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am, it's a match.
Please,
Match.
please.
Ma'am, I cannot hear very well.
I write with my dash.
Ma'am, I know my birthday.
Please,
I know my birthday, ma'am.
please turn off your phone. Do not answer. Do not answer. You have anything? Just write in a piece of paper. Do not answer. Question number, you can write 1. You can write your name straight to that. Number 2, my birthday. You can write your birthday. I write with my, some children will write with left hand or right hand. LEFT, left. Those who are writing with right hand, you can write the number 3 and write right hand. Neha and Jeshu, please turn off your camera. If you don't mute it, all will come to the screen. Please do it, parents. Please help them. Achida. Achida, turn off your webcam. Now, number 4. Achida and Jeshu, please turn off your camera. Then only I will start. Achida. Yes, Jeshu did it. Achida, turn off your camera.
Ma'am, I didn't.
Achida, please turn.
Do first one, ma'am.
Number 4. I have dash hair. Boys will have short hair. Girls will have long hair. Some children will have very, very short hair, even girls. So you can fill in that L-O-N-G, long. Those who have short hair, S-H-O-R-T, short. You no need to write all the full sentence, only the number and the answer, only if you can. Because when you come back to school, we will do it. We will start from first again. Those who missed it, you can do it. Number 5. I have dash eyes. Some children have beautiful black eyes, brown eyes. I don't think we have green eyes, blue eyes, etc. But still, you can ask your parents what type of eyes you have and fill in that place. BLACK, black. BRWN, brown. GRE,
I have green eyes.
green. Blue, BLUE. I like to eat noodles for breakfast. What do you like to eat? You can write only the first letter of the food you like.
I like to eat chapati.
Please don't answer. Please don't answer. Only you just write and keep. I like to do. What do you like to do during your leisure time, free time, or when you have class, anytime? Some likes to draw, some likes to paint, and some children want to go and play outside, outdoor games. So that's according to your option, you can have it. Now I think we shall go to the next. Number 8. All must be very careful while you fill in. And your favorites. Each one will have your favorite things. You will have your favorite teacher. You'll have your favorite friend, favorite food, color. We'll see what are the things coming under this heading. My favorite color is, there will be only one favorite color. Don't write all the colors. If it's red for you, R-E-D, you can start with your small letter. Don't use capital letters in between. Red means R-E-D. Yellow means Y-E-L-L-O-W. Like that, you can enter. If you don't know the spelling, just write the first letter. My favorite game is. It can be cricket, hockey, football, anything. You can write Other than this also, you can just write. My favorite fruit. There are a lot of fruits. I used to see children bringing for their break lots of fruit. They share with others, they eat themselves. So you can write your favorite fruit. Same way, if it is apple, I think you know the spelling A P P L E. Orange, O R A N G E. Orange. If it's banana, B A N A N A. Like that, you can write your favorite fruit over there. Next one, my favorite season. Do you like this season, summer? I don't think so. You can choose summer, winter, spring, autumn, anything which you prefer. And you can think of the food you eat during that season, dress you wear, everything. Let's go to the next heading. My favorite book. It can be any book. Your subject, what you learn in school, story book. That's left to each one of you. If you don't know, just leave it. Later we can do. I just want you to practice this way of teaching. My favorite flower. Rose, sunflower, jasmine. Many flowers in your garden. After this class, you can go outside your house, see which flower you like, ask your parents to help you to write its name, because you have just come from first standard. You are not very familiar with the spellings. We have to learn the spellings. You must know the color of each flower. We can have a nice quiz next week.
Ma'am, I already know my favorite flower.
See, please cooperate with me. You can tell me later. You can write the name there. My favorite bird. My favorite bird is peacock. What about yours? You just think. You just think. But standard teachers would have taught you many names of all kinds of birds. Small ones, big ones, birds that swim in the pond, all that.
Ma'am, can you put the pictures from first?
Yeah, now 1 minute. I will just show you this from 1st to 14. You just missed it, means just see it. Okay, but I won't speak between. You are not going to answer anything, you just see. Okay. You can just have a look. 1, 2, 1 name. 1 minute, parents. Please switch, turn off your microphone.
And the next page, ma'am.
1 minute. First your name. Second your birthday. Third, which hand you write with. Fourth, whether you have long or short hair. Fifth one, color of your eyes. Food do you like to eat? Seventh one, what do you like to do during your free time? Number 8, your favorite color. Number 9, your favorite game. Number 10, favorite fruit. Number 11, favorite season. Now, number 12, your favorite book. Number 13, your favorite flower. Number 14, your favorite bird. I think all would have enjoyed this activity. Now we must know, I'll show you certain pictures and you must know which part of your body do you use. Don't answer in chorus. You can write down only the part of your body in your paper. Mark number 1. Somebody ready to ask some questions, please turn off your mic. Please. Yes.
Hand.
Thank
Hand.
Shakira. Please don't answer in between. You have done a great job from first. Continue with the same. Now all know how to watch online classes. Very good. Now, first question. Now you are going to throw a ball. Which part of your body do you use? I don't know the answer. You can write. After you are writing all the answers, I will tell. Now, number 2. You want to smell a flower. Nice smell you will get. Which part of your body? Hope you have written. We'll check it towards the end. Number 3. You're going to run in a park. Your parents will be sitting in one corner, but you will be just sitting in a place to watch whether they are watching you, and you will run here and there. Now, which part of your body do you use to run? Number 3. Number 4. Which part of the body do you use to read a book? To read a book. I think you must have done it. Oh, very nice. Which part of the body do you use to paint a picture? How will you paint a picture when someone asks you to paint? I think we'll go back to, no, one more, sorry. Number 6.
Ma'am, can you show me the first picture?
Please. Yes. I will repeat it. Please turn off the camera, Mishti Jane. Number 6. You want to listen to music. Which part of your body do you use to listen to music? I think all must have finished your work in your mind or on a piece of paper. Now, Mishti, turn off your camera, Mishti. Please, turn off your camera. Now, we'll go back to number 1. Let me tell you the answer. And you can just put a tick over there. It will be easy for you when you come back to school. To throw a ball, we use a hand. Can you not tell, ma'am? I got the
Why is happening here?
hand. Please turn off your camera phone. Number 2.
Leg.
Number 2. Smell a flower. Anything to smell, anything, not only a flower,
Nose.
anything.
Nose.
No.
Nose.
Please don't answer.
Nose. 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 அம்மா மெசேஜ் வந்திருக்குமா மேம் மியூட்டட் மேம் நோ
Number 3. Yes, I have come back. Number 3.
I only
Take one minute. Come.
but talk and black.
Run in a pool. What do you use to run? Don't answer, please. You have to only take what you have written or write the correct spelling. You use your what? No need to answer.
Leg.
Don't answer. Leg. Number 4. To read a book, you use your eyes. EYES. Number 5. To paint a picture, you use your hand. Number 6. To listen to your music, you use your ears. Thank you for listening to me, children. I think you must have enjoyed the class, and now you can switch on the camera, microphone, all that. But thank you for cooperating with me.
Thank you, ma'am. Wow. Thank you. Thank you, Thank you, ma'am.